This week we're heading back to the south coast and Brighton. Here we're acquiring the upper floors of a mixed-use building in which the vendor in 2015, so fairly recently, converted the existing 2 floors and added another floor on top to provide 4 two-bedroom apartments, 1 being a duplex and 2 with big roof terraces. As you can see from the photos, these have been finished to a high standard. What's really good with these flats is that normally new leases are typically 125 years or 150 years long and with a ground rent. But here we're acquiring a head leasehold interest of 999 years at a peppercorn ground rent. This is effectively nothing. This is the closest thing a flat can have to a freehold interest, and it is effectively like a freehold. The building is located on the way into the town centre, where Brighton's attractions can be found, and these include the pavilion, the pier, and of course the seafront. And all these are just within a mile's walk. So, as we know, Brighton has really good rail services to London. It's a direct line, taking only an hour to both Victoria and London Bridge stations. Now, the good thing here is that the Brighton station isn't in the town centre, it's just north of it, which means it's really close to the property. It's only an 8-minute walk, so it should appeal to commuters as well as those working in Brighton's economy, which generates a £732 million a year from tourism alone, as well as established major employers. So, it's not surprising that Brighton and Hove has consistently outperformed regional and national growth in the last 5 years, and it looks like it's set to continue, with Savills forecasting the region to outperform the rest of the UK, with forecast capital growth of 17% until 2021. But what's interesting about this one is that the pricing point for flats above shops is lower than for conventional flats. However, they command a similar rental level. So this, together with the price we've negotiated, this property delivers a better than usual yield, and it also should benefit from the same growth rate going forward. So to summarise, we're acquiring 4 practically new high-spec apartments. They're well located in terms of easy reach to the town and mainline train station, hence appealing to commuters. Brighton itself is a thriving local economy with major employers and a well-established tourist industry. And the area is also forecast to have strong capital growth, better than the UK average, and due to the nature of this property, it's going to deliver particularly strong dividend yield for the area.